Hello friends, how are you? The Canada Goose Expedition Parka is a high-performance winter coat designed for extreme cold weather conditions. Originally developed for researchers working in the harsh environments of Antarctica, this jacket has become a popular choice among those living or traveling in extremely cold climates. The Expedition Parka is known for its superior insulation, weather-resistant materials, and practical design features that ensure warmth and comfort even in sub-zero temperatures. The outer shell of the parka is crafted from durable Arctic Tech fabric, a blend of polyester and cotton, which is both water-resistant and windproof, providing excellent protection against the elements. The jacket is filled with premium duck down, renowned for its insulating properties, which helps to maintain body heat while allowing for breathability. The down insulation is complemented by a heavy-duty, fleece-lined collar and a removable hood, which is trimmed with coyote fur for added warmth and protection against the wind. The fur also serves as a natural barrier to keep the face shielded from frostbite in extreme conditions. The design of the Canada Goose Expedition Parka is both functional and practical, offering a range of features suited for cold weather expeditions. Multiple pockets, including fleece-lined hand warmer pockets and cargo pockets, provide ample storage for essentials, while the adjustable cuffs and hem allow for a customizable fit to keep warmth in and cold air out. The jacket's elongated silhouette offers added coverage, protecting the lower back and thighs from cold drafts. And its technical specifications, the Canada Goose Expedition Parka has gained a reputation for style and luxury. Its sleek design and premium materials have made it a staple in both outdoor exploration and urban fashion. While the jacket's high price point may be a deterrent for some, its durability, performance, and iconic status have made it a worthwhile investment for those seeking reliable protection in the coldest climates. In summary, the Canada Goose Expedition Parka is a top-tier outerwear choice, engineered to withstand extreme cold while offering a comfortable and stylish solution for winter wear, whether used for outdoor adventures in polar